The Weird News on Helen Derone Radio.
This is Leah with the Weird News. Crossing an intersection has become a lot more interesting in Rhode Island with the return of Tony the Dancing Cop.
Tony the Dancing Cop, I know him.
You do?
Yes, his name's Tony.
Oh, and he dances.
And he dances, and he's a policeman. Yes, he's great.
Retired Providence police officer Tony Lepore annually takes his place at the corner of Dorrance and Westminster Streets to guide drivers with his fancy footwork.
Have you ever been to Rhode Island?
No, but my husband is from there.
Ask him.
Yes,
Ask him if he knows Tony the Dancing Cop.
There you go. Mr. Lepore intersperses whistleblowing and hand-waving with backbends and breakdance-like moves.
It would be quite dangerous for the people in the cars. They'd be looking at him instead of driving.
Yes, what a distraction. According to his website, ProvidenceDancingCop.com,
He's got a website?
He has his own website. Mr. Lepore directed traffic the traditional way for 2 years, and one day in 1984, he got bored.
It is quite a boring job, yeah.
Especially back in the 80s. He had watched a clip on television of police officers before performing the duty with rhythm decades ago and was inspired. This year is his 30th season directing traffic.
Well done to you, Tony.
Yes, well done. And that's the Weird News.